Have you ever looked at your task manager and wondered why your PC feels slow, even though you have maybe 16 or 32 GB of RAM? The answer is usually hidden in the standby list. In this video, I'll show you a professional tool called RAMMap that can fix this issue. RAMMap is a free utility from Microsoft owned by Sysinternals. It gives you a microscopic look at exactly what is occupying every byte of your physical memory. Look at this standby column, for example. This is the data where Windows thinks you might need this later. But in heavy games, the cache can sometimes get stuck, causing those annoying micro stutters. To fix it, simply go to the empty menu and hit empty standby list. Watch your free memory jump up instantly. This is the safest way to clear your cache without crashing your applications. Use this before maybe launching a heavy game or after closing a massive editing project like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro to ensure your system is fresh. Just a warning, don't overdo it. RAM is sitting empty is a wasted RAM. Only clear it if you actually experience a performance drop. If you keep closing and refreshing, actually it's gonna slow down your applications because you're gonna store it again and you're getting the opposite results. If this has helped your PC performance, hit the like button, subscribe for more deep dive tech optimization, and see you in the next one. Peace.